Hello everyone. So today we will going to discuss about the chapter 5, which is the bonds payable. A bond is a formal unconditional promise made under seal to pay a specified sum of money at a determinable future date and to make periodic interest payment at a stated rate until the principal sum is paid. In simple language, a bond is a contract of debt whereby one party called the issuer borrows funds from another party called the investor. A bond is an evidence certificate, and the contractual agreement between the issuer and investor is contained in a document known as bond indenture. Initial measurement of bonds payable. PFRS 9 paragraph 511 provides that bonds payable not designated at fair value through profit or loss shall be measured initially at fair value minus transaction costs that are directly attributable to the issue of the bonds payable. The fair value of the bonds payable is equal to the present value of the future cash payments to settle the bond liability. Bond issue costs shall be deducted from the fair value or issue price of the bonds payable in measuring initially the bonds payable. However, if the bonds are designated and accounted at fair value through profit or loss, the bond issue costs are treated as expense immediately. Subsequent measurement of bonds payable. PFRS 9 paragraph 531 provides that after initial recognition, bonds payable shall be measured either at amortized cost using the effective interest method, at fair value through profit or loss. Amortized cost of bonds payable. The amortized cost of bonds payable is the amount at which the bond liability is measured initially minus principal repayment, plus or minus the cumulative amortization using the effective interest method of any difference between the face amount and present value of the bonds payable. So we have here the illustration. On January 1, 2002, a company issued 10-year 10% bonds payable with a par value of 500,000 and received 442,647 in cash proceeds. The market rate of interest at the date of issuance was 12%. The bonds pay interest semi-annually on July 1 and January 1. The issuer uses the straight line method for amortization, so prepare the issuer's journal entry to record the first semi-annual interest repayment. So we have here the solution to the problem. We have here the journal entry. Debit bond interest expense for 27,867.65. Credit discount on bonds payable 2,867.65. And a cash of 25,000. So we have here the supporting calculations for cash payment. 500,000 times 10% times 1/2, it is equals to 25,000. Discount amortized 500,000 minus 442,647 divide 20. That is 2,867.65, and interest expense 25,000 plus 2,867.65, that is equals to 27,867.65.